Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the rear door panel. This will be the same for both sides. There's a little door here. Going to use a flat bladed screwdriver. Open it up. Access the Phillips head screwdriver that's behind it. Do it without chewing the plastic up. Open that up. Phillips head screw behind it. Do the same for the one behind the door handle. Remove this one here, the Phillips head screwdriver. The same for this one. Door handle has some plastic clips around the outside edge. Then it's hooked around the top of the door panel. Just use a plastic prying tool. You can get this from 1aauto.com. I'm gonna go down, feed it in, just kind of feel. Oops. Get it down here, start down here, and pry it out. These can take some force. Do that all the way around. Should be it. And come straight up off of the door panel. Unplug the window switch, push in the lock tab, pull it out. Sometimes it'll be hard to push in. Use that plastic trim tool, push the lock in. Pull the connector out. Clip the cable off for the door lock. Just pry it straight up. It'll come right out. Do the same for the door release handle. Pry it straight up. A little ball will come out of there. We can remove the door panel and put it aside. To remove this handle assembly, unscrew the Phillips head screws. Take them right out. It sits on these little tabs. It's going to lift up and out. And there's the door lock assembly. Door latch assembly. I'll reinstall it and capture these underneath these little white tabs here. Push it on these little locating pins. Get the screws started. Tighten them up. Door handle is replaced. This trim clip stayed stuck in the door when I removed the plastic door panel. Just going to use a trim clip tool, pop it out, and reuse it. It was missing from over here. And just pop it back in. And reinstall the door panel. I'm going to plug in the window switch. That's the right way. Click when it's in place. Now this is the door lock. The other one is the door lock, so it's going to go on top. Kind of hard to see. Might have to move the door lock. You can see where that little ball goes in there. Just like that. Then we'll put it over and capture it. And do the same with the door handle. Ball's going to slide in there, and then go over to capture it. It opens the door, locks the lock. I start at the top and hang this on the door panel, just like that. Go down along the edges, start popping the clips back in. That's all it takes. I'll reinstall this screw down here. There's this little window, this little door thing. All right. Reinstall this screw. Push that in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.